Hi there, students. Ascendancy. Ascendant. So ascendancy is the noun, ascendant is the adjective. In the ascendancy, in its ascendancy, in the ascendant. Okay, so ascendancy is a position of power, of strength, a position of success. So the political ascendancy of this party is overwhelming, and nobody can stop them from doing what they want. Um, the um, the ascendancy of my team over all our opponents is stunning. Okay, the fact that they are more powerful than them. Okay, if something's in its ascendancy, it's ruling, it's dominant, it's has supremacy, it has superiority, predominance. So ascendant, something that's ascendant is either dominant. So the ascendant mindset at the moment is to enjoy life. We can also use ascendant meaning something that is going upwards, it's rising. So something could be in the ascendant. It's something that's rising rapidly. It's becoming more powerful. So I think the nationalists are in the ascendant at the moment. They're rising. Their popularity is rising. However, there is a different political party in the ascendancy, but they run the risk of losing their ascendancy. Okay, so ascendancy, governing influence, controlling influence, domination, yeah, superiority, yeah, to have a decisive advantage. So I guess at the beginning of the Second World War, Germany had ascendancy. But by 1944, and when the Americans came into the war, the ascendancy had changed away from Germany. Okay, so ascendancy, a position of influence, power, control, rule, authority, reign, dominance, domination, superiority, supremacy. Yeah, so let's hope that the extremists don't gain ascendancy. They're gaining ascendancy, they're gaining power. Okay, so ascendant, dominant, dominant control of a situation. Let's see, in Ireland there was a group called the Protestant Ascendancy. These were the Anglo-Irish ruling class in Ireland from the 17th to the earliest 20th century. They owned all the power, they were the landowners, the bankers, yeah, so they were called the Ascendancy because effectively they were the controlling group. So I don't know which football team is in the ascendancy at the moment. The ascendancy of such and such a team has been amazing over many years. The ascendancy of one religion over another, the ascendancy of a political party, the political ascendancy of a group. Notice this is all related to the word to ascend, meaning to go upwards. Yeah. So as to origin, well, it comes from French, but originally from Latin, ascendo, to go up, add to, and scando, to climb, so to climb up. Ascendancy, in the ascendance. This sounds rather literary. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I think informally, in power, king, tops, the best, champions, something like that. So use it a semi-formal writing and a formal writing. Maybe you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. Okay, so in the ascendancy. So I hope I Swear English is in the ascendancy for many years to come. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ascendancy, ascendant, in the ascendancy, in the ascendant.